Hang on, stop, 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 stop.
Okay, it's come off the skate.
Oh, that's not too bad.
Another driver's tried to flip this and gave up.
I've bought another car. So it's 7:20 in the morning, and I've just had a call from the driver who's got it on the back of his trailer. So we're on our way to go and help him get it off the trailer, and hopefully make it as easy as possible. So why have I chosen this specific car? Well, the main reason is because I've literally never seen one of these before on the road, ever. So it makes it super rare. That means two things. It means that on one hand it's super rare, but on the other hand, getting parts for it is going to be an absolute nightmare. It's a 3.7 litre naturally aspirated V6. They call it front midship. Do you know what it is yet? Guesses in the comments before we get there. There it is. There it is. That is ridiculous. Oh, it's so nice. Right, let's get it off this infernal trailer.
It's that feeling that makes you want it.
This might be the best car I've ever bought, ever. And it's only got 3 wheels. It might well be the best car I've ever bought, but it does only have 3 wheels, so getting it off the trailer is not going to be simple. But it was listed on Copart as engine starts, so let's test that first. Yeah, yeah.
Give her a shot.
Konnichiwa! Wow. Plan is to get the trailer at the best angle we possibly can and then roll the car back into the garage. Everything's going well so far, but we ran out of room and we couldn't go back any further. But as ever, my delivery driver Matthew was super positive.
I'm very impressed at how that went. I thought this was going to be a pig. Do you know how much of a pig this was to load?
We've just got to get it down. And now we're ready for the next phase, which is to use the truck to pull the trailer forwards whilst keeping the car virtually in the same place and just kind of slide the trailer out. Which worked pretty well, as you can see. But because of the slope into the garage, we couldn't get any lower and we ended up getting stuck. And at this point, we've been blocking the road for a good 5 minutes. So we decided to jack up the ramps and pull the trailer out from underneath. And then something happened that made my soul leave my body. It's alright, the jack's just gone forward, so we need to get this back under it and lift it back up off. There, that should give us the extra clearance we need. Luckily, there was no damage and the plan worked.
Pitch.
Oh, flipping yes!
Right.
That is an A. That's an absolute A, my friend. Right, you go and pull that trailer forward.
Lead it forward an inch.
So slow. It's not resting at all. It's just for my own mental health. You're clear. You're absolutely clear. Legend, you've done it. Finally, we were able to move the trailer off the road and get rid of the blockage again, giving us a bit more time and less pressure to do things a little bit more safely. Wow. Well, that was an ordeal. But there it is. It's in. Sort of. What we're going to do now is we're going to jack it up from the front under the main jacking point, bring it down, and then for the first time it'll be all 4 wheels on the ground in West Yorkshire, and then we can pull it out, straighten it up, and just slide it back nicely. Let's get it down. I couldn't resist a little cheeky rev. Driving a car with 3 wheels isn't straightforward.
Come off the scale.
That's all right.
I don't think you're going to want to see it.
What's it like? Let's have a look.
It's not great. Hang on.
Luckily, I had some cheap Amazon skates just in case that did the job perfectly.
Yeah.
This trim.
Right. Go. Straight. Go, 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 go.
And finally, it was home.
Chris, we did it.
And look at that, it's inside the other half of the unit. Scooby's over there. Well, to be fair, most of it is in amazing nick. Again, we've got Japan's biggest spoiler. Down that side, super nice. And then inside, it's virtually new. It's absolutely mint. Obviously, if you ignore the obvious things. Again, we've got a dash blown, which is actually like bad. Actually bad. That's a big fix. And obviously this has been, for some reason, covered in this disco red. And then in terms of the damage, it is worse than advertised, in my opinion. It says non-structural, but that looks pretty structural to me. It's folded back this fine. It hasn't actually affected the main, this front bit here, but it's folded all this back, created sharp edges over there. And then if we look down, we've got this end. None of that's connected. Like none of it is connected to anything. Obviously the wheel is fully perished. You can see daylight through that. Bumper's fine. Obviously this is not. This is the big problem. Getting this sorted, making sure not all of it's bent, and then also this is the biggest concern, how bad that is. But I reckon it's nothing Conrad can't fix. Yeah. Should we start it? Let's start it. This is a big boy of an engine though, 3.7 litre V6, and this jumper pack is not designed for this size of engine. But trusty jumper pack, full charge. It's on. Get in, quick, get the foot on the brake. You can do it. Yeah! It's all in Japanese. Literally everything is in Japanese, including this thing called car wings. Car wings. It's dual control. Momentum 99. Look at that. Owner's manual. No way. We've got history. That sits in the boot. Well, he kept it clean. That's interesting. DPD coat. Fits. I can't believe that. Free DPD coat. Worth it. What's under here? Oh, behave. It's the original. Everything. Everything is original. Original toe eye. No way. This is mint. So there we have it. The Skyline GT 370, the Skyline 370 GT, which is so much better and so much worse than I ever imagined. We've got a lot to do on this car. It's got to be Tokyo Drift, doesn't it? It's got to be. If you've got a comment of, number one, where on earth you think I can get a dashboard from, steering wheel airbag, any of the bits for that passenger side wheel, drop a comment. Or if you've worked on one of these GTs before, then what do I need to know? What don't I know? what am I gonna encounter as a problem. It's gonna be another amazing journey. So stick around, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. It's like a glove. Suits the car too.